Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So, I got the chest mount. Get these lures out of here and put in the box of thing. It is light rain, so they say fish bite better in the rain, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure quite yet, but we're gonna find out today. So I'm gonna get all this stuff rigged up and then catch you guys here in a bit. Alright guys, so come on, don't make me look like an idiot. We are up at camp and we are heading to our fishing spot, and I'll get you guys when we get there. Alright guys, so we are at the lake. This is the lake. We're getting a John boat to put in here sooner or later. You got a fish over here. But we don't have one at the moment, so we're just doing some bank fishing at the moment. So there's some docks over here. I'm gonna try to flip and pitch and hopefully get me on a nice sized bass, but we're gonna try. But see you guys here in a little bit. So right now we're just trying to get a chatterbait tied on. Oh, I had a bite. Nope, I had a tree. Just running a chatterbait. How about fridge did I do that? Don't even ask me how I did that, guys, because I have no idea. Favorite thing about fishing, getting the backlashes. Oh, no worm, bro. Yo, let's go. On the worm.
He's healthy.
Look at that, baby. Healthy little fish. Munched the lizard.
Holy.
Good boy. Look at that thing. Get a picture.
Where's my phone?
My phone's right there.
Oh, seriously, where's my phone?
He's over there.
Mom's calling me. Tina.
Little baby.
See what your mom wants. She called you and you didn't answer.
Thank you, buddy. With me? There you go, little guy. Let's go, baby. Just slow rolling it. They're not extremely active yet.
Stop! We're gonna start hitting it.
The black and blue flake worm. Let's go. Let's try to get another one before we go home. You're over here by me, sweetheart. You got a bite. That's a fish. Let's go! Let's go! Hold on, buddy. I gotta flip you this way. Yeah, I can't get the hook out of this one. Hold on, buddy. I can't get the hook out of you. Chill. You gotta chill out, buddy. You gotta chill out. We'll get it out of you. There you go. Look at that. Another baby. A gorgeous, healthy looking fish. Right there. Let's go. Healthy.
So that's the same one we just got.
No, different one. There you go, buddy. Yo, chill, bruh. Oh, 3 fish, baby, on the chatterbait.
Big.
It ate it on the fall. Let's go.
Alright, let's go before it starts raining.
Hold on, I gotta make one more cast over there.
Go ahead, I'm gonna
Thank you, buddy. Thank you. Good boy. Let's go. I'm sorry. I don't want to hit you.
I'm sorry.
Trying to get back over there where that dock was at. There it is.
What's your third one?
Yeah. Crush City for the win.
You get a bad one, yeah.
Don't hate the player, hate the game. You'll get it. You're scaring my fishies. Come on, one more. Finish off the day. There we go! Oh, you. Oh! Oh!
Okay, come on.
Huh? Mm-hmm. Come on, baby. One more. Please, one more. Come on, one more. I gotta get one more. Can't end on an even number. Odd number. Bad luck. Right there. Okay, let's get this off.
Yeah.
Wait a second. Why are you in such a hurry? Because you ain't catch nothing?
Yeah.
Well, again, don't hate the player, hate the game. Yeah. Don't hate the player, hate the game. You get it. I don't want to hit you though.
Raining.
Alright, one more. And then we'll load it up. One more cast, guys. One more. No, that was a terrible cast. One more, because the rain is coming down pretty decent now. I'm reeling this last one in. Come on, baby, bite. Please, one more, baby. Come on. Come on, baby. Nah. But we got 3. We got 3, baby. Rain's starting to come down, so we're gonna head on out of here and get back to the camp. And gotta re-rig some lines up for tomorrow when we go to our private pond. But the rain's starting to come down, so get the heck out of here before it gets too bad. Ah. Let's go, baby. So 3 in the boat, well, on the bank today. Rain started coming down pretty heavy, so come out here tomorrow morning before we leave, because we're going home tomorrow. So maybe come out here tomorrow before we leave and make a couple casts and see if we can get them. Want to get her on a fish, I really do. I think the next one I catch, I'm just gonna let her reel it in. So she's complaining at me because it's raining. I was catching fish. It's just a little bit of rain.
What is that? I don't know.
Rain is
Coming down.
cold as heck.
Let's go. Come on. Don't put the lights on there. Can you stop?
Watch your language. So I'm gonna head out here and catch you guys in a little bit.